Hello, my name is Ingrid Lopez, and today I presentation the Colombian education. There are reasons that prevent and significant advance in the use of English in Colombian from begin advanced. On the one hand, teachers do not master 19% of high school students in the public sector in Colombia have a basic level, and only 2% of high school students from public school have the intermediate level of English. One reflect that those how can afford expensive private tutors learn English better. There are plans for to learn English online at a more affordable price, while adjust to the needs of the children population. Quality programs where a teacher are handling specialist and know effective methodologies to reach an audience as demanding as children. These possibilities are become a complement to the English classes that are taught in school with positive impact, um, and the professional distinction to the competent. The speaking a second language increases pupil employability and characteristics that will preferably in the coming years as a result of a more integrated world economy. One only methods that is revealing why children learn English, breaking down the barriers imposed by traditional teaching, and at the same time giving them access to opportunities such as education, scholarships, and increases in their salary between 13% and 15%. It is an opportunity that can't be missed. Thinking about this learning net, and these online methods are become more important, and the professional belong of children size there offer facilities to learn the language in a different way and way more subtle and alternative. Okay, thank you very much.